Hey, so ARCAdventure's here. We have, got Andy here. We have decided to take another bike ride, this time a gravel bike ride, and come along with us to see how we ended up surrounded by water.
Yep. So yeah, make sure to give us a like and thumbs up.
Okay, hopefully have another scenic bike ride today, doing 2 hours and 20 minutes on this Sunday. Hopefully it won't be that difficult. I'm riding my hybrid today because we're going to be hitting a little bit more gravelly areas, so road bike a little iffy. So let's go. So definitely a pro with the road bike. We just did this bridge here. Luckily my hybrid's got an ultra low and I didn't even have to put it in the lowest gear. So thank you Zwift trainer for preparing me.
Very cool.
We got a nice cool spot. This is Highway 270 and we're following the canal till it meets the Mississippi. So, nice cool spot right here, and continue it on.
Yep. The arch in the background. It's a cool little path here. It goes all the way from the old canal bridge. Almost, we're getting closer and closer to the arch. Crazy. So I think we're almost to the end of the cut through here of the canal. There's a good view of the arch. Yeah, and then this is the lock. Crazy. We're close. I didn't realize this way was so scenic. Oh, yeah, I see the little gate. It looks like a gate there where you go in. Wow. Crazy. Yeah, we got there. We finally made it. Oh, and it continues. So it's where the Mississippi meets the canal, the Chain of Rocks Canal. It's like a cut through that has a lock and dam. So very cool.
And you get our downtown skyline, St. Louis Arch there.
Yep.
So apparently a gun range over there. All right, so 12 miles in and we found a confluence. So pretty cool scenery for the time being. So check it out.
Yeah, so we've been here about 10 minutes or so, and you really hate to leave. I don't quite want to leave, because look at this. It's like sand down there. And we could almost imagine bringing a beach towel and a cooler and then just, you know, look at it. Yeah, we don't want to leave. This is as close as we'll get to the beach in 2020. Cool. Man, that's about as scenic as you get in Missouri, isn't it? I got it.
Woo! We did it!
We
6
did it.
miles on the canal, gravel. We did it.
We did it. We're done. Now we just got what, 4 miles?
4 miles to go with a very large uphill to end the ride.
So we just did that, what, 12-mile path to that Confluence area. So now we just got to make it back to the car. So back over the old Chain of Rocks Bridge. There you are.
Distance 18 miles. Speed 8.3 miles per hour. Split
know,
speed 8.5 miles per hour.
We're almost there.
Speed 11.2 miles per hour.
Hey, all right, we are done.
2.5 hour gravel ride to the Confluence. Awesome scenery.
Yeah, great scenery, really good.
Lots of bugs, a couple of dead frogs and a snake.
Yeah.
But all around, tiring and fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun, but we're hot and we're like starving. We rode right past lunch, so
So
we're ready for food.
lunchtime.
Lunchtime. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Check us out on Facebook too, ARCAdventures on Facebook.
And Instagram, we are ARCAdventures19. And on Twitter, we are also ARCAdventures. So check us out on all platforms and follow us along with all of our adventures.
All right, thanks everyone. See you next time.
See ya.